welcome back to another day. Today is, what day is it? It's Saturday. And can I first just say, there's a lot to be said about being in the countryside because I am sleeping so well. I mean, the bed, aside from the bed being super comfortable, it's gorgeous and big fluffy pillows, it's lovely. But there's just complete silence. Like from the minute you switch out the lights to go to sleep, you hear nothing. There's not a peep, no traffic noise, no people walking by, just complete silence. And honestly, it makes the world a difference because I fall asleep and that is it. And I feel like I've had good sleep, you know? It's not restless. I'm not waking up, going back to sleep, waking up, going back to sleep. It's just complete sleep. And it's so nice. So yeah, feeling good this morning, feeling refreshed. So it is Saturday, and as I said, I wanted to go and head down to the peak trains. They do only run at the moment, Saturday and Sunday. It's the steam train. Going to see the steam train. I sound like a bit nerdy, don't I? But you know what? I don't care. I like doing nerdy things. I am a bit of a geek. Like I love going to airports and just watching the aeroplanes. But I think that's something to do with the fact I used to be cabin crew. I've got a slight fascination with aviation. I do like aviation. Anyway, I digress. So yeah, I'm going to get my full geek on today and go on a steam train ride. So how about that? So yeah, only run on a Saturday and Sunday. So I'm going to do that today. I think the first train departs at 11, just after 11. You basically get a ticket which allows you to hop on and off. There's only 3 stops that it does. It's only like an 8-mile round trip. I think it's like an hour and a half if you're just on the round trip. But I am going to just jump on and off and just have a little browse. I don't think there's much to do in each of the stops, one of them being Matlock, where I was yesterday anyway, so I won't get off at Matlock. A little bit of a steam train ride. I think it would just be nice. I think because the scenery here is so beautiful, it's just going to be nice to sit down and, yeah, browse out the window and just chill. So that's going to be nice. I don't think it will consume a lot of the day. So, yeah, we'll see what happens after that. I'm not sure. So yeah, if you want to come with me, if you want to join me, stick around and we are, going to finish this and head off. So guys, we have just arrived at Peak Trains. I'm definitely at the right place because there's a giant train in front of me. That's the restaurant car by the looks of it. They're setting up afternoon teas in there because I think you can do like themed events and stuff, and afternoon tea is one of them. So yeah, let's get out the car. Let's head towards the ticket office, which I think is over that way. And let's go see if we can get a ticket for the steam train. Because I'm such a geek. I like doing things like this. Yeah, let's go. So I'm not sure if this is a bit of a campsite thing or if it's just like a day activity, but there's kind of teepees and then there's little motorhomes and things over there. I mean, it would be a bit noisy, wouldn't it, right next to the train track? But I guess if you're really into steam trains and things like that, I mean, it's not a bad view from your camper van, is it? Anyway, we're going to head off in this direction, see if we can get some tickets. Thank you very much. So guys, here I am in my own little booth. This is probably what was first class back in the day. We have just arrived at Matlock. We're just leaving Matlock now. I didn't get off because there's not a train for 2 more hours. So there was no point me getting off when I spent the day there yesterday. So I got back on into the first class cabin and we're heading back. But yeah, it's been quite nice. It's a very slow paced train. I've just sat, looked out the window, took in the views, and I'm now travelling back in style. First class. Privacy. So guys, I'm headed back to get this steam train back to where we started from. Just been for coffee and a cake while I was hanging out in this place. I've forgotten what it's called. I'll pop it on the screen. But yeah, the train stopped here, so I got off, had a little wander, found this gorgeous park, and went for a coffee and a cake. And now I'm heading back to the train to head back to my gorgeous little cosy cottage. I've just seen a sign. The park is called Whitworth Park. So yeah, and I've still forgotten the name of the place where I am. Is it Darley? I think it's Darley. But anyway, yeah, I'm heading back now. Let's go. So we are back at the train station. It is called Darley. Darley-Dale, that's where we are right now, and we are waiting for the gorgeous steam train to come in to take us back to where we started. So just a little bit about this. It was £15 for the ticket, and it's like a day ticket. You can just jump on and off the steam train. There's only 3 stops, and you can just jump on and off as you see fit. It's a very slow train, so you if you do get off, it's 2 hours before you can get back on and carry on your journey. But yeah, it's quite a nice thing to do if you're in the Peak District. I think £15 is that a bit steep? I don't know. It's quite expensive for a train ticket that doesn't really go very far, but I get it. It's a steam train, and I guess the money goes towards maintaining the steam trains. So yeah, but it's been nice. I'm gonna head back now. I'll probably just head back to the cottage and get on with some more editing, uploading all the footage, and just have a chilled late afternoon. It is, what day is it? Saturday. So Sunday, I'm thinking tomorrow, I might go do that chairlift tomorrow because I want to go Bakewell on Monday because it's market day Monday, so I want to do Bakewell then. Tuesday, I'm going to go to Chatsworth, and Wednesday's my last day, so don't know what I'm going to do on Wednesday yet. So tomorrow, I think I might head, funnily enough, back to Matlock. I've got to go to Matlock if I want to do the chairlift because that's where you pick it up from. So yeah, I might do that tomorrow. We will have a look. But for now, I'm going to sit here in the peace and quiet and wait for the good old steam train to roll in and take me home. Thank you. So guys, we are now, as you can see, back in our lovely little cottage. I've got myself a nice little, it's like a cinnamon latte, I guess, and some delicious little biscuits. I'm still eating all the snacks. These are the ones that the lovely owner left me. So, oh, they're melting there against the cup. Does anyone else do this? So yeah, we are back. We've just come back from our steam train day out, which was a lovely little day. It was just a few hours doing something a bit different, I suppose. So yeah, we are now back. I am going to just chill for the rest of the day, enjoy this gorgeous cottage, and upload all the videos and stuff that I've taken today, and just get on with some editing, and maybe catch up on some more YouTube or Married at First Sight Australia. Has anyone been watching it? I promised myself this year I'm not going to watch it because you just get so hooked and so invested, and it's on every night, well, Monday to Thursday, so it consumes a lot of your time because I don't watch that much TV generally. But stupid me, watched the first episode and then that was it. Literally hooked. So yeah, I've got a couple of them to catch up on, so I might even just indulge and sit back on that lovely sofa and watch Married at First Sight. So yeah, I'm going to drink this coffee, eat these biscuits, and get down to some editing. So I hope you enjoyed today. It was just a little chilled out day, really. Train rides, walks in the park, cafe breaks. So yeah, nothing exhilarating, but yeah, really nice nonetheless. So the plans so far for tomorrow, which is Sunday, I think I might head back to Matlock and take that chairlift. It's to the heights of Abraham. I think I'm saying that right. It's a bit of a tourist attraction up there. I'm not 100% sure where it is, but yeah, I might go do that. Again, it's quite pricey. It's probably about £27, which I know is quite a lot. But I'm hoping that it's, from the looks of it, from what I can see on the guide, it's somewhere you can spend a full day. So yeah, I think I might do that tomorrow. If the plans change, you'll soon find out, because I will be taking you with me as per. But yeah, that's it for now. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my night. You enjoy the rest of your day, evening, whatever you're doing, weekend, and we will catch up tomorrow. So until tomorrow, guys, thank you once again, and I will see you for vlog number 3 in the morning. Bye. Oh, look what I've done. I've given my cup boobs. My biscuits were leaning against it and the chocolate has melted. So now my cup has boobs. Or is it a moustache? Could be either or. Bye, guys.